Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Lexilogo channel. Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn about uh, how to use the online keyboard. Okay, we will try to solve. We will try to find out how to use the online keyboard by using online itself. No need to download. Okay, from laptop. So hope you can see my laptop screen now. Okay, I have loaded here. This is very famous app, Lexilogos, Words and Wonders of the World. So multi-language keyboards. From there, go to language bar and select for Arabic language. Okay, as you click on Arabic language, your interface will be like this. Okay, so in this, what you have to do is, as you can see, for each key they have written which letter comes in which key. Okay, uh, for alif, a is there, ba is there, like that. If different keys are shown, even for numbers it's shown here, and the question marks, all these are there mentioned here. So before that, what you can do is, I have in my previous video, I have some videos ago, I have made separate video Arabic keyboard and English keyboard. Okay, that is different. That is was another video. This was today we learn to write how to write our names. For example, few names I'll write and show. We'll learn how to type our names here. For example, Ismi. So I have to click the is alif. Okay, Seen, Meme, Ya. Okay, it's me. Okay, then Syed, Seen, Ya, Dal. Okay, Syed, for example. So my name is Syed. So next thing what we can do is, for example, if you want to say my name is Sam. Okay, so how to say that? Same thing. Alif, Seen, Meme, Ya. Sam. Where is Seen here? Seen. Then you have to find out alif, find out the letter meme. Sam. Okay, here you can see next word which one. For example, Ramesh, you can say. So how to find out Ramesh name? Same thing. Ramesh, Ra. Where is Ra? Here, Ra. Okay, alif, meme, Ya, and Sheen. Ramesh. Okay, okay. For example, any other name you can tell. So many other, for example, Ra, Alif. Okay, G. Okay, Ya. Ya is there. Noon, Alif. Okay, for any names I'm just suggesting. Rajina, it has very famous names in all this one. For example, here you can say, okay, Sarah. Okay, Sarah, how to say in Arabic name? Sarah, Sin, Alif. Okay, Sin, Alif, Ra, and Ha. Okay, Sarah is there. So many names are there. Okay, Samuel, for example, you can say Samuel. Okay, Sin, Alif. Okay, Meme. Okay, yeah. Wow, Lamb, Samuel. So many names are there. So this is the pattern. How you have to find out is, basically, keep trying each key and keep checking. Okay, if you keep pressing the each key, you will get to know which letter is there in which key by pressing the shift button. Then you will, okay, how you, now you will ask me how I know my spelling of the name. So what you have to do is, you have to go to Google Translate. Okay, and then type Arabic, English to Arabic, your name, put it your English, and translate, let it translate into Arabic, and that name you can try practicing in this keyboard. So it will be very useful for you to understand how to know your names in this. Okay, so is there any doubt? See, for example, the letters are there. This is very helpful keyboard for the people, those who don't want to download anything. Okay, only for the difference, what's coming here for the character. See, Algeria, Tunisia, in the letter. Okay, this is the difference for Morocco keyboard. This is the difference, as you can see here. Okay, and for Algeria and Tunisia, Okay, this letter will come, letter V will come in Fa. For Morocco, the letter will come Fa, Wa. Like this, they have small difference only are there, but usually common Arabic keyboard for all the countries are there. All the Arab countries use the almost same keyboards only. Little bit difference will be there. You have to when you download the uh, language bar. For example, see here I have in my language preferences I have downloaded Arabic Saudi Arabia keyboard, Arabic United Arab keyboard, okay, Arabic keyboard, then English keyboard. So any language preference which you want, you can download it from this, or if you install it from that, or you can use online keyboard also, it will be useful for you. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.